Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Oscar Outdoors. In this one I'm going to show you how quick it is to put up your quick deploy tarp. Okay, so welcome back everyone. As in a little intro, today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to put up your tarp if you've followed the instructions in the last video. I'm going to leave that up here for you now. That's just how to set up a tarp for a quick deploy. So yeah, with the pound shot bobbles, the guy ropes, the prusik loops and the ridgeline permanently attached, all now in this sort of small Snugpak dry bag. So without any further ado, I'm going to get on with it. Okay, so that's it. Now on my camera, it's timed at 3 minutes 43 since I started filming this little bit, and we're all done. So yeah, now all that's left for me to do is pop it away. So yeah, now it's time to take it down. Now if you watched the previous video, you'll know that it all lives inside this small dry bag. So I'm just going to take it down in real time as well. So hopefully you can see how quick that is as well. So, see you in a minute. Okay, and that's it, all the way. Obviously when you get home, sort it back out for your quick deploy when you get there as well. So yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you thought. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.